how to add QR code in Canva. So first go to Canva and then just open up a blank design like this one. Next is, in order for you to add a QR code here, there are two ways that you can do this. The first one is just hover your mouse over elements here, and then search for QR or QR code. And then here you can see a bunch of QR codes here. So let's say I'm going to use graphics here, and then I'll just click on one of them. So let's say I'm going to click on this one. So as you can see, now you just added a QR code here. So let's say you want to create your own QR code and add it here. What you can do is let's just do this one. Then hover mouse over apps here. Then search for QR code like this. Once you've done that, you can see the QR code option here. Click on this one. Then enter the URL of your QR code. So let's say I'm going to type in Instagram.com and then click on generate QR code. Or before you click on generate, you can also customize it, the background color, foreground color, and the margin. Okay, so click on generate code once you're done. Okay, now once you scan this QR code, you'll automatically be transferred or be brought here to Instagram.com, to this URL. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.